First tonight at 10, a local school district taking on social media companies.
Kenosha Unified Schools are joining a national lawsuit. New at 10, Sarah McGrew shows us how the district is accusing companies like Facebook and Instagram of maximizing profits at the expense of kids' mental health.
The board voted 6-1 on Tuesday to join that nationwide lawsuit, joining districts from places like Seattle, New Jersey, and Florida.
The anxiety, depression, and thoughts of self-harm, which are perpetuated through social media.
The lawsuit was filed by the France Law Group against TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, YouTube, and other companies. Meta, which owns Facebook and Instagram, says it takes safety of users seriously and doesn't allow posts that promote potentially harmful content. Kenosha School Board member Rebecca Stevens says the impact of social media can be seen throughout the district.
We have a lot more fights. We have a lot more calls for our police officers. We have kids using cameras inappropriate in schools.
The lawsuit points to a CDC National Youth Risk Behavior Survey that shows that teen depression rose by more than 60% between 2011 and 2018. UWM professor of educational psychology Chris Lawson agrees social media has had an impact on mental health.
Social media is a place where people go to present themselves as excellent. And that could be really stressful for kids.
But he says it's not just kids that are being affected.
I think that social media has impacted people's lives. I think it's made adults and kids alike have, I don't know if it's an effect that it's having on them being more anxious or more on edge.
And he's not so sure the responsibility falls on the social media companies.
I think it's our responsibility as parents, as teachers, as elders to help kids learn how to not just use the technology, how to understand it, how to comprehend it, and maybe when not to use it.
The Kenosha School Board already knows what it will do if the lawsuit is successful.
The goal of this lawsuit is not only to hold the companies accountable, but also to obtain funds for prevention and education, as well as mental health services.
Sarah McGrew, TMJ4 News.